As an independent publisher, you definitely need a good paraphraser, because you need to paraphrase your work to avoid falling victim of plagiarism. So, but most paraphrasing tools we have, most of them are premium, and for beginners who don't have much money to invest in tools, they need to be able to do their work effectively, and the free ones available there just allows you to just paraphrase few works, which can be hectic, especially when working on a book. You want to do a good book with quality, you need it. So, and that's why we are looking for a good way and a good option, which I have for you in this video. So stay tuned. And then for all subscribers, you are welcome back. For new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And then if you get to find this video helpful and you have not subscribed, don't hesitate to do so, because more is dropping. And then give this video a thumbs up, comment, ask questions, feel free with us. So let's rush it and dive in. All right, just a quick one. I was just working on my book this evening, and then I realized that my paraphraser, my Quillbot, is no longer working. I mean the premium hack I used. So I went to my extension, did the normal reload I used to do, reload it, kind of still saying inactive in a way. After reloading it, and then I came back to this place, also reload the page, but it's still not working. It's still not showing me the premium version, which is supposed to show me. So I decided to try the new method using phone. So, and how does this work? Well, for this to be possible in phone, because we are going to need an extension, you won't be able to use your Chrome. You can only use Chrome for system to download extensions. So you can try other browser like Kiwi. I'm using Kiwi browser. You can try, I think apart from Kiwi browser, there's also other ones. So, but the Kiwi browser is the one I know, and it's kind of reliable to me. So you come to you go to extension, go to Chrome Web Store. That's if you tap on these three buttons on top, click on extensions like this, then you click on from store, add from store here. That's here, add from store. So let's just do it. You click on add from store, and then it loads. It brings you to here. You tap here on extensions, and then you search for monkey. What's the name again? I've forgotten the name. Wait. Search for violet monkey. So search for violet monkey there, and it's going to show you this. You just tap on this one, and once you tap on it, then you download it by doing what? Clicking on add to Chrome. So it's going to take a while. Yeah, you say okay, it's going to download, and it will become part of my extension. So let me pause this a bit. All right, it's already downloaded to have been downloaded. I mean, it have been added to Chrome. It's part of my extension now. So after you have installed the violet monkey, you can check it here. If you go to extension, your extensions here, scroll down, you're going to see it down here, violet monkey. So the next thing is, alternatively, instead of pasting the code or copying the code on mobile phone, which is very hard, and have tried it, it did not work, though that's the normal way to do it in system. But to do it in phone, we need a particular another website that will help us install the code instead of copying it. And once the code is installed, then we'll check our Quillbot to know if it is premium. So, and this website is 𝐴𝐶𝐕𝒃. 𝐴𝐶𝐕𝒃. Search for 𝐷𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒈. So come to 𝒔𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒈. Then here you see Quillbot Premium Unlocker. Tap on it. Tap on Quillbot Premium Unlocker. Then you see install scripts. You tap on install scripts. Install these scripts. I think I had the installation completed. Or tap on install. It says script installed. So since script is installed into the 𝐻𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒈, then what we need to do is to go back to our Quillbot and see what happens. We refresh it, and here we are. I've not even refreshed it, and as you can see, I'm back to premium. Look at it here, back to premium. So this is the fast and easiest way to do it with your mobile phone. Copying the Google script is going to be hard and probably impossible. I tried it, it did not work for me on phone, but with this 𝒔𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒈, you can do it on your mobile phone successfully and enjoy the Quillbot Premium. So you can as well check if there's any other script to download, but this is the one. And to confirm that that's what really changed this to a premium version, let's remove that extension. Okay, I've refreshed it, it's still there. The previous hack extension we had, let's remove it. This is it. Remove it. Okay, let's come back. Refresh. It's reloading. It's reloaded. So refresh it again. We are still in premium. Refresh again. We are still in premium. So this actually works. So thank you, and if you really get value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share to those who might need it. Drop your comments. If you have questions, ask, and it will help others to see, and it will help us to engage. So I'll still drop something more. Anything I find out that can be useful to us, I'll do it, get it done, and then show you how you can do it by yourself. See you in the next video. Thank you.